Toilet craft paper roll butterfly using construction paper. Hello, I'm Judith M. Cinco from Bisad Tree, and welcome to my blog. Today, we're making a beautiful butterfly from a toilet paper roll and using construction paper. It's a fun, simple, and eco-friendly craft for you. The step-by-step process of creating the craft. Step 1. Cover the roll butterfly body. Step 2. Create the wings. Step 3. Decorate the wings. And step 4. Assemble the butterfly. Explain how these activities support early childhood development. Craft helps children develop fine motor skills like cutting, blowing, and twisting pipe cleanlings creatively and imagination as they design their own unique butterfly wings using different shapes and colors of construction paper. That's all. Mention why using recycled materials is beneficial. We're using a recycled toilet paper roll which is great for the environment. It teaches children that we can turn something beautiful. Using recycled materials reduces waste and helps protect our planet. Here are beautiful butterfly made with just a toilet paper roll and construction paper. I hope you enjoy this craft. Now go your create own colorful butterfly in your home. Thank you for watching, guys.